So now we're looking for an ALGO down out of this area for continuation. Okay. Oh, and then we got star up, star down, so you can extend that area a little bit. So I'll take this star down. It didn't print. Never mind. Flatted. So it's all the way back to here now. Okay, so that'll be a blue dot down. Short blue dot star, 50, whatever that was, 52. Short blue dot star, target at least 14. Okay. Stop goes right above that, and then I'm already preparing in case it stops for the trap back above 68 and the trap back in. Okay. Again, the Fed chair is speaking, keep that in mind. So just going to trade it as I see it. I understand that I might get walloped, right? Target's back to take out this low down here, at least. If you don't like trading during the Fed chair, do not trade, would be my suggestion. Or adjust appropriately, or just use it as a learning opportunity. So now it would be this. So now I'm going to have to adjust. I'll do this, then this. So basically that whole entire area. Right? Remember my stop's behind 68. Let's just call it 70 to make it even. Right, so 52 to 70 is 18 points. And my target's down here to the 17,817. And I may get stopped because it's a Fed chair speaking, right? It's all right. I just know to take my trades over and over again appropriately. Blue dot star down again. Stopped. And that's the risk of trading during Fed chair, and I'm all right with it. I'll look for my next setup. And if you're going to ask about all these blue stars and all that forming, that's going to happen when that dude is speaking, and that's all okay. If you can't take that all of a sudden it swings because someone speaks, you should not trade it. I want to be really clear about that. Everyone's like, it doesn't make a difference. It does to me, right? So I'm just going to follow the process as I have it. So now I would expect to test back in to that 60.75. Now this should serve as, again, this would be valid, right? If my kids took a trade out of here with a star down, I'd be okay with it. So I'm going to limit 87. Stop whatever that high is. It's no more than 18 points. Flat, I don't like that. 83. I don't like the divergent bar unless it gets trapped on. So I'll wait. I want a blue dot, star, star trapped, or blue dot stuffed. Limit 93. Nope. I'm still good through all of this. Limit 99. And you don't have to short it if you don't want to. Obviously, this is based on his testimony. So however you want to go, I'm all right with it. Limit 99. Let's call it 89.75. Short 89.75, and I'll take that star, divergent bar star to the downside. Put stop at 16. Again, I'm looking for 2 bars down. I'm reducing my size to account for 2 things. Wider rotations, because my target's all the way back down here, right? Back down to 63. You can take a scale if you want from 89. You had like 82, 99 to 82. 83, whatever you want to call it. I'm trying to target back to that 61 area. There's 82. Scale half. That leaves me quarter size. That was at 75. And I'll move the stop to break even at 99 and try to push it. Again, that's a perfect example of where I would take the algos inside, right? Algos inside these channels that are coming off the 40 tick, and I'm adjusting to the latest data from the 40, right? Remember, my stop's at 99 on balance. And then I'll start over. Did that help doing that in real time, guys? So it's one stop, one win, net profitable. That'll be a blue dot down. Limit 80.75. Did not get it. 81. Got it. 81 stop. Same stop now. Let's just make it an even 17.9. Again, it's the Fed chair, so he just shoot right through there, right? So short again, 81. Stop, 900 even. I'm trying to get 68 there. 69. 69 done for half. And I'll leave the rest. Which puts my 89, 81 to 69, 12 points. So 81, 91, 93 on balance against the round number. There's another star right there. So again, just mark stopped on balance. And it's just based on whatever he says, right? So it's just going to boo around. Again, I'll still take the shorts out of this area. I have no problem with it. And up here too. And if it takes off vertical because he says something, I'm going to get stopped. If it'll push down, I'll work the longs if it'll set me up. Limit 0475. That'll be an apex trap into a star. Again, smaller size because I expect to get stopped. No algo on that. You have to decide whether you want to stay on it. Stop 21. Again, I know I'm going to get stopped in this. The goal will be to push one of these monstrously down, actually, would be my preference to retest one of those swings. If I'm wrong on it, I'm wrong on it. I'm okay with that. And the smartest thing to do would be just not trade while Fed chair speaking. Try and push back to that 84 is my goal on this. You can take a scale at 92, that'll be 2 bars down. $93, excuse me. So 93 for the scale, if we'll give it to me. And again, you don't have to stay in the trade if you're not comfortable trading during the Fed chair. Obviously, the risk is significantly enhanced because of his comments. Again, really to break out, you're gonna have to break to 38, but no one would. I wouldn't expect anyone to stay in from like 04 to 38. Go, well, let's see if they make it or not. I can't get 93 so far. 96 seems to have been the best. Stop is 21, or I'll have to reset again. $93 done, scaled half. So that's plus 11. That puts me at 1575 on balance with a 21 stop. And again, I'm going to try to push. What I'm trying to do, just so you know what's in my head, is I want to push or try to push this trade to break down and retest yesterday's lows. Right, so I'd like to come back and test into between this low here and, oh wait, that's not the lows I wanted, sorry. Oh yeah, it is. Sorry. This down here. That's what I'd like to retest. So potentially, if I can take that, right, from, where am I? From 475, if I can get retested down here, a potential 100-point trade, right? But the only way you can do it is by leaving your trailer. Also, blue dot star on the 40. So again, I would expect that to hold, and normally when I short against that 21 again, so if I can get another signal out of here on the 21, I will short again against the 21, this top of this blue dot star. I would expect this, right, 60% of the time to do that, to make a stretch at least to 17,856, right? If not to retest this swing or these down here lower. Okay. Now I'm going to adjust my charts here. I was adjusting the chart and didn't put the trade in. I would have added right there. So that's all right. I still have half the trade on. Now, again, my target now looks like this. IV lows also a valid target down. And if it clears 38, watch out, because if you look on the day time frame, if they can't get it to roll, so let's say, our read's not wrong because I'm following the chart, but this is your target up, is at 18,029, which is the 32 retrace from the high to low of that roll down up there, and we haven't made an attempt at it yet, right? So that's the flip side of the coin. If you're looking at, well, why wouldn't someone be long, or wouldn't someone take that long? That's why. And again, from 04, you now have 20 in the trade. You just, if you don't want to push the trade to the bottom end of the channel, that's fine. That's what I'm attempting to plus. At the bottom of the channel down there, I'll go quarter size, like around 60. I'll cover half of the half, which leaves me with a quarter, and the rest of it is break even or push for 100 points. And that's how you daisy chain that around. Randy, does that help? Does that make sense the way I laid that out for you? Again, 60, I'll go to quarter size. That'll be 44 points or $880 a contract. And I may not get it. It may stop me. You just got to be cool with it letting it come back on you. Oh my. This won't. Again, target down is 60 here. You can choose anything. 60, 43, 56. I'm going with 60 to go down to quarter size. Close, no cigar. Oh, that'll hurt if I don't get filled. Wow. Let's see what happens. And please, if you'd be upset about giving up 30, don't wait for 40, right? You got to decide what your poison is. Got you. 60 hit, 44. Move stop to break even on balance. Bottom of the channel now at 46. If you want to take it now, that's for 50. Again, my balance is for 100 points. So 04 is where I'll take this out. If you need to take, there's nothing wrong with taking, obviously, 50 points. Anyone in the room take it besides me, guys? Ed or Dan, anybody? And if not, was there a reason why you didn't take it? Again, my stop is sitting at 0475, and I'll just wait for it patiently. You can see right where we bounced out of, right? Star down, backside test. Now I just wanted to see if they'll break through it, and I'll wait. Star up gave the signal. I should have been more on top of that to flip. And I'm going to cut that video there.